Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create photo style animation in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before we start the editing, I'm going to show you how the photo style animation looks like. I'm going to play my video. Okay, I'm going to show you how we can create or apply this animation on CapCut. Alright, first of all guys, we're going to create new project. I'm going to select new project here, and then we can choose a photo that we want to edit, and then I'm going to import two photos so I can apply different effects to my photos. Okay, we can click on add, and then here you can select your photo, just the photo that you want to add the animation to, and then you're going to go to the effect and then select style. Okay, and then I'm going to click on OK, and you're going to go to the motion. All right, and you're going to scroll all the way to the right until you find 3D zoom, this one, and you can apply it to your photo. And wait guys, it's still loading. And for my second photo, I'm going to apply different style. Okay, I'm going to apply the camera shake or pop-up style. Okay, and this is the result. And then for this photo, I'm going to apply another effect. Oops, sorry. We need to go to this style, and then I'm going to go to the motion. Oops, sorry guys. Style, and then select motion here, and I'm going to choose this camera shake. And yeah, you can apply the effect that you like to create the photo style animation, and it will make your photo looks more captivating. Okay, and it's still loading guys. Okay, this is the result. And yeah, it can animate your photo. And once you're done, you just need to click on export, and then your animation will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create photo style animation in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!